In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact SimplePractice support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can get help quickly and efficiently. First, sign in to your SimplePractice account. Use the same login you normally use and make sure you're accessing it from a reliable browser on a stable internet connection. If you have more than one role in your account, confirm you're signed in to the profile that needs assistance so your request includes the right context. It can also help to refresh the page after logging in to make sure everything loads cleanly. Once you're in, look for the question mark help icon. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll typically find this as a floating button or in the corner of your dashboard. Click that icon to open the Help panel. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding your browser window or closing any overlays that might be covering the corner of the screen. Also, make sure pop-up or script blockers aren't preventing the Help panel from opening. In the Help panel, select Ask Questions. This option brings you to the pathway designed specifically for reaching out when you need assistance. It's the quickest way to get your issue in front of the support team without searching through multiple pages. Next, choose Contact Support. Send an email request. This opens the request form where you can describe what you need. Be as clear and specific as possible. Include a brief subject line that summarizes the issue, then use the description area to outline what's happening, when it started, and what you've already tried. If an error appears, include the exact wording. If the problem is tied to a date, appointment, or feature, mention those details. Screenshots can be extremely helpful when the form allows attachments, especially if they capture any on-screen messages or settings. Before you send your email request, give it a quick review for accuracy. Make sure the contact email shown is the one you actively check. When everything looks good, follow the prompts to submit your request. After sending, you should receive a confirmation message acknowledging that your request was received. Keep an eye on your inbox and consider checking your spam or junk folder in case the confirmation lands there. Support responses can vary based on volume and complexity, but providing detailed information up front typically speeds things along. If the team follows up with questions, reply directly to that email thread so your case history stays in one place. That's it. Sign in, click the Help icon, choose Ask Questions, then Contact Support. Send an email request and you're on your way to getting help.